In this video, I will show you how to download Sims 4. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up your internet browser, come across to google.com and then just go ahead and type The Sims 4. Go ahead and search for this. And what you want to do is click onto the top result. This is going to take you to the official website on Electronic Arts. Then what you can do, you're going to see a green download now button. So go ahead, give that a click, and that's going to take you across to a page like this. And then what you want to do is come over to the right, click onto select platform and choose the platform that you want to download this through. So for PC, you've got a couple of options. You've got EA app for Windows, Steam, and Epic Games. It's completely up to you what you want to choose, but in this example, I'll be showing you how to do this with the EA app, as that is the official app for The Sims 4. So what you're going to want to do is download that first of all, and then click to run the installer to install the EA app on your PC or laptop. Once you've run through these steps and installed the EA app, go ahead and launch that on your PC. And once the app has finished downloading and installing, what you're going to want to do is launch that and sign in with an EA account, or alternatively create a EA account. Now once you're signed in, you'll be on the dashboard, which looks like this. From here, come up to the search box at the top and just go ahead and search for The Sims, just like so. Once you've done that, you're going to see The Sims 4 come up, give that a click, and that's going to take you to the download page. Then all you need to do is simply go ahead and click onto download, and what that's going to do is bring up a window like this where you can choose your install location. So for myself, I'm going to install that to my C drive, but if you use like an external hard drive, of course you can click onto change and select your drive from here. Then all you need to do is click onto next and then click onto download, and that's going to queue this ready to download. So if you look in the bottom left hand corner, you can see the progress of the download and installation. Also, if you come across to the left hand side, you can see it currently says downloading. So what you can do is give that a click and see the progress from here. So once it's ready, all you need to do is come to the left hand side, click onto library, and it's going to be there ready to play. And that is how to download Sims 4. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.